Alright everyone, of course you see in the Zoom, this is the first video that I'm going to place on here for you to understand what you're doing today. Basically, you will not have a Zoom meeting today. However, you will receive credit if you fulfill the requirements that are set forth in this post and on this video. So you're going to click on the attachment after you watch this video. And basically, this video just explains what you're going to do today. The video that you will watch is actually on the next post. And so as you watch the video, just make sure that when you get done with it, you go ahead and complete the Google Doc. And just a quick snapshot of it. And it will be in the next video how you do this. It will turn out to be like this. This is first period, as you see. And this is the fifth period. So make sure that your name goes here, the time that you completed watching both videos, and then you're just going to check mark this. The next video is going to tell you, and make sure that at the end of it, you make sure that you place your initials there. And so after you watch the video, I'm going to move this video to the next post, and this video will be the video on your Zoom. All right. So with regards to this, after you get through watching it, even though you all have a separate document, if you look in this document right here, some of you have the same titles. You can work together, whether you're calling each other, whether you're Zooming each other, or you can actually type in Google Docs and message each other. Just make sure you have two separate documents. If you all type on the same document, that's not going to work. You might be able to copy and paste, but because I put the document out, you're only going to be able to type on yours, and it's going to show me who did what. So if you try to cheat and copy and paste from someone else, or someone else do your work and you copy and paste it, it's going to show me. That's the reason why I put it in the portal this way. So you guys are very intelligent. You know how to do the assignment. Again, watch the video and everything will be explained to you. You all please have a most enjoyable day.